In this video, I'm going to show you how to change payment method in Mailchimp. So first, let's head on over to our profile icon in the top right corner over here. Let's click on it and it will lead us to this menu. So let's click on account and billing and it will go to our profile overview. So after that, let's head on to billing, click on account billing menu, and it will drop down multiple menus. So let's head on over to billing information. And then after that, it will show us our billing information. If you don't have one, it will show you like this. So for us, let's add a payment method. After that, it will show you your billing information, and you can add whatever card you want, either credit card or PayPal. And then after that, just input your credit card number, your expiration date, and your CVV, and after you save, it's good to go. And that's about it. That's how to change payment method in Mailchimp. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.